In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Facebook Marketplace, a vibrant online space where you can buy, sell, and explore a variety of items within your local community and beyond. Whether you're new to this feature or just need a refresher, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. Let's start by opening up your preferred web browser and heading over to facebook.com. This is where it all begins. Now, if you're not already logged into your account, you'll want to go ahead and do that. Simply enter your email address or phone number, followed by your password, and hit login. Once you're inside your Facebook account, pay attention to the left-hand side of your homepage. You'll notice several shortcuts here, one of which is Marketplace. Go ahead and click on that, and you'll see yourself being redirected to the Facebook Marketplace. Once you're on the Marketplace page, you'll see an array of options at the top. We're going to explore these, starting with the settings icon. Click on it to delve into various settings, allowing you to customize your Marketplace experience according to your preferences. After viewing the settings, let's move on to notifications by clicking on the notifications button. Here you can manage alerts related to your activities on the Marketplace. Next up, we have the inbox, which you can access by clicking its icon. This is where you'll find all your messages and interactions related to buying and selling on the platform. Right after that, you will see an option labeled Marketplace Access. Click this to check your access status and make sure everything is set up correctly for you to engage fully on the Marketplace. When you're done checking your status, let's transition into buying. By clicking on buying, you'll uncover all of your current purchases and any potential transactions you're planning. It's vital to keep track of these activities for a seamless buying experience. After that, the selling tab becomes your best friend if you're interested in selling your own items. Go ahead and click on selling and explore all your sales, current listings, and more. To make your listing stand out, you can select the highlight option, which helps boost the visibility of your items. Following that, we have the categories section. Clicking on this reveals an assortment of categories, giving you a better understanding of different item listings. It's like a digital marketplace map guiding you to your areas of interest. Finally, we revisit the main marketplace page. Clicking on this brings you back to the diverse offerings of the Facebook Marketplace, allowing you to resume your browsing or buying journey with ease. And there you have it. You've fully navigated through Facebook Marketplace, exploring its essential features to enhance your online buying and selling experience. Happy shopping and selling.